Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will go ahead and take a drive in that BMW E65 745 LY right now guys, and show you what the signs of a bad drive shaft support bearing is. Okay, right here, and the flex disc. I think they call that Guibo or something like that. I call it flex disc, so you know what I'm talking about. You see, this one is extremely bad right now, never been replaced, 154,000 miles as of right now guys. Stay with us, let's go take a test drive. We have a video how to fix, replace all that stuff as well on our channel, and many more for that E65 E66. So let's go ahead, start on it guys. Alright guys, so when you accelerate in first second, you hard accelerate pretty fast, you're going to hear, okay, hear that. We heard the drive shaft getting out of balance, it's spinning, okay, and what's happening, actually, it's vibrating, and it causes that vibration to feel it underneath the armrest. Okay, and the other one, that's for the support bearing right here. That's the one that you can hear. Okay, so if we go again, okay, listen now, hopefully you can hear it in the video. Okay, that right there. The other sign, okay, for the flex disc, okay, this is the flex disc right here, is when the car downshifts, okay, especially when you go from third to second or second to first, you're going to feel like the transmission is not shifting good at all. It's gonna kick really bad, and what's causing that is the play, okay, in the bushings right here, and it moves this way. So you actually can feel it as a really rough shift. You might even think that your transmission is done. In some cases it might be the transmission, but in other cases, okay, you can hear it right here. In most cases it's just that flex disc. You have to make sure that you use original parts or good quality parts, because that one is a high torque, high power engine guys. So if you use anything cheap, you're going to do the repair again soon, and you don't want to do that because it's not easy. It's doable, but it's not easy. So we're gonna go ahead and replace them now. I'll just accelerate one more time, see if you can hear that. And again, if you feel a rough shift, especially downshifting, it's most likely the flex disc. And the other one, the center bearing, is you can feel it under the armrest towards the back even a little bit, getting out of balance. Okay, let's see now. Alright guys, so we will have a video how to replace them. Check out the channel. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.